Hi there, this is Natalie from Paper and Fondant. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit and personalize your Paper and Fondant template using the Canva app on your device. Click on the link for your design on the PDF that you received when you purchased your design. You're going to be taken to this window on your Canva app to access the design. You do not need a pro account to edit and download your Canva template. Once you've accessed your Canva template, click on the three white dots on the upper blue toolbar. Next, edit the file title to a name that's relevant to your event. Once you are done, click Return and hit the Save button to save all the changes. You'll notice there is an image with a reminder on how to access a step-by-step guide to edit your template. We've included a written guide on your file that you can access as you're editing your file. To see this, click on the background of your template. Next, click on the three black dots in the white bubble, and you'll be able to see on the lower hand side your notes. Once you're done reading this reminder, simply select it, hit Trash to delete it. In some cases, the template may contain two different color options for your design. Once you've selected your design, you can delete the one you don't want by going to the three dots up on top, Settings, and then click on Show Page Thumbnails. Here you'll see the two designs. Simply select the one that you'd like to delete and click Delete down below. Next, we're going to edit our text. To do so, you can click on the text box and edit and personalize the text. It may be that you might have accidentally moved the text from its intended location. To adjust the placement, you can select the text and use the crosshairs to drag your text back into place. You can also use the position button to align your text to the page. On the bottom toolbar, find the position button, go to Align, and use the buttons to align the text. To add a photo to your design, click on the photo frame, and next click on the Replace button on the lower. Go to Uploads, and click on the purple Upload button to upload your file. Click on your selected photo, and it will be placed in your photo frame. To edit the placement of the photo, simply double-click over the photo, and either drag it into place, or use the corner tabs to edit the sizing and placement. To add a video to your design, click on the photo frame, Uploads, and upload your video file. Next, click on your video to place it. You can adjust the size and placement of the video by double-clicking on the video and using the corner buttons to either adjust the size or drag over the video to adjust the placement. And click Done when you're complete. You can adjust the colors of the video by clicking on Adjust and toggling through the options there. You can also adjust the colors by selecting the photo and going to the Adjust button on the lower toolbar and toggling through all the options there to make it just right for your design. Most of our video templates have royalty-free music. If you would like to add or replace music, you can do so by activating the video timeline. Go to Settings, Show Timeline Duration, and then going to Uploads on the toolbar down below, Audio, and then clicking on your audio. Next, you can toggle and adjust your audio as need be by selecting it and dragging it. Note that the audio will match the timing of your video. Once you're done editing your file, you can click on the play button up above to see the final version. You can share your file by clicking on the arrow on the upper right-hand toolbar and going to download. You can download your video as an MP4 file or select JPEG or PNG to download as an image. Alternately, you can also share as a share link by clicking Public View Link. This will create a unique link that your viewers can see. Please note they may be required to download the Canva app in order to do so. If you have any issues with your design or have any questions, please contact us. You can contact us by sending a screenshot with your questions to our email